and welcome back. If you're new, my name is Kaylee and today we are going to do the first little episode of a Kaleigh'S Kitchen little series I wanted to do here on my channel. I just want to share with you guys a few of my favorite recipes that never fail me, things that my family love to eat when they come over, and just a few things that I've discovered in the kitchen that I really love to make for my family. So I hope you guys are excited for this new little mini series. It's something different between all the cleaning, home decor, and other lifestyle content I do here. If you guys are new, I'd really love if you would subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me and really help promote smaller channels like me. So yeah, today we're gonna be making bang bang shrimp pasta, and if you've ever been to the chain restaurant called Bonefish, they have bang bang shrimp, which is so good. It's like really spicy and it has a crispy outer coating, and we're gonna be making that into pasta today. And this is not my recipe, it's one I've made for years online. I found it, I think on Facebook, you know, like one of those little videos pop up and it shows like how to make something, but I found this recipe online and I kind of adapted it to my own taste because I really don't like super spicy foods. I'll leave the whole recipe in the description bar for you below so you can follow that if you'd like, but I just thought I'd share exactly how I make it for you guys today. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get cooking. So the first thing I always do is I like to gather all my ingredients on the counter just so they're ready for me to grab when I'm making a recipe. And then I'm going to start dividing up my spices into these little bowls. So I will have the full recipe down below, but you're going to do a teaspoon of paprika. And then I just do a little bit of salt to taste because I'll do it on the shrimp and the pasta. And then I'll put a little bit of parsley into a bowl as well. The next step is to fill a pot with water, and we're going to start boiling our water while we do the rest of the prepping. So make sure you go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees so we can start baking the shrimp. I always add a little bit of olive oil to prevent my noodles from sticking. So here's another overview of all the ingredients we're going to start combining to make this yummy dish. One of the key ingredients is the sweet Thai chili sauce. It is so yummy and it makes all the difference in this recipe, as well as some mayonnaise. Mine had olive oil in it, but you can use any kind of mayonnaise. Your pasta, your shrimp, and your lime, and that's pretty much all except for some garlic and other seasonings to taste. So we're gonna go ahead and juice one lime. The more the better, honestly, in my opinion. I love the flavor that this gives your sauce. I'm gonna go ahead and prepare a baking sheet. I love these non-stick cookie mats I got off Amazon. I can link them down below for you. They're amazing. We're gonna go ahead and put our shrimp, toss them in some olive oil, garlic, and some paprika to taste. I like the more the better again with this recipe. It gives it so much flavor. A little bit of salt and pepper never hurts either. So once our shrimp are prepared, we're going to go ahead and put those in the oven for about 6 to 10 minutes or until they're cooked through. You can kind of just judge yourself when you're ready to take them out. For this recipe, I normally prefer angel hair pasta, but I didn't have any on hand, so I used fettuccine, which works just as good, but I usually love angel hair pasta, so we're going to go ahead and boil that while we begin making our sauce. So you'll need a half a cup of mayonnaise and then a fourth a cup of sweet Thai chili sauce. I ended up adding more because I like more of this flavor in my sauce, and then we'll add in some of that fresh squeezed lime juice and a little bit of garlic again, and that can all be to taste. So you mix this up really well, and then I'll show you guys what the consistency should look like, and then you will put this in the refrigerator while you finish prepping the rest of your meal. your shrimp are done, go ahead and take those out. And then tonight I was serving it with some garlic bread. So I was going to go ahead and put my garlic bread in the oven. And normally I serve it with a side salad or something yummy like that. But again, I was out of a side salad. So garlic bread was really good. So once your noodles are done, you'll want to go ahead and drain them and then put them back into the original pot. And then we'll start combining all of our ingredients to make it really yummy and let it kind of simmer together on the stove on super low heat. I think that just helps it all solidify and it just makes it taste a little bit better. So once you combine your shrimp into your pasta, grab your sauce from out of the refrigerator and mix that in, and you are good to go. You mix it up, and this is one of my favorite recipes. My husband wasn't home when I was making it. He came home super late, but he was looking forward to eating this for dinner, so I'm glad I could make it, and it really doesn't take that long at all. I also add some red pepper flakes and parsley to garnish it off, but again, that's all to taste if you like it a little more spicy, if you want a little bit of a kick to it or not. Hope you guys enjoyed this little first episode of my Kaleigh'S Kitchen. If you did, please go ahead and subscribe and give me a thumbs up and let me know if you recreate this recipe. And again, everything will be linked in the description bar down below. I hope you all are staying safe and well, and I'll see you in my next video.